Today we're checking out the Flowmaster FlowFX Direct-Fit Muffler for the 2023 to 26 5.0 F-150s with a factory dual exhaust. If you're wanting your truck to sound stronger and feel a little more responsive without swapping the entire exhaust system, a direct fit muffler like this is a clean and practical way to get there, so it's definitely worth considering. This FlowFX muffler by Flowmaster is built to bring an aggressive to moderate sound level, so you get a deeper and more performance style tone when you get into that throttle without it feeling like a full-time headache for daily driving. So with that in mind, it's gonna get rated a 3 out of 5 on our Wake the Neighbor scale. Performance-wise, the big goal here is gonna be improved exhaust flow, and this one is designed to free things up compared to the stock unit, which can help the truck feel sharper when you accelerate. It's also made to connect directly to the factory dual pipes and reuse the existing factory hangers, which keeps the install straightforward and keeps the final fit looking clean and factory correct. Another big feature is that it is a clamp-on design, so you're not dealing with cutting and welding, you just get to stick it on the truck and clamp it into place. The bottom line is, if you want more sound and a sportier feel and a simple install that doesn't turn into a custom exhaust project, this is exactly the reasons that you would choose a direct fit muffler from Flowmaster just like this one. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting premium grade 409 stainless steel construction with mandrel bent pipes for better exhaust flow, along with a chambered muffler design. The stainless steel build is there for durability and corrosion resistance, which matters a lot on a truck that's seeing weather, road grime, road salt, and all the heat cycles that you get on a daily driver. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid $400 price range. In my opinion, that's gonna be a fair price for a direct fit stainless muffler upgrade that improves sound and flow without forcing you into a full catback swap. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in 1 hour of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
So the tools for this job were pretty simple. We just needed a jack and some jack stands to lift the truck up, give us a little bit more space. I had an additional jack stand here to hold up mufflers as we're trying to remove or install parts. The impact is optional. You can certainly do that, help remove things faster. But one of the nice things that I had was this through hole socket and ratchet set. Just kind of helped for some of those longer studs, and then obviously some 15mm sockets in a deep and a short. Flex head ratchet, also optional. It makes things kind of a little bit easier with 10mm long and short, and then a 15mm wrench kind of helps you get a little bit more leverage on things as needed. The flat tip screwdriver to get those locking tabs off of the muffler to tailpipe sections, some lighting, and some WD-40 because this truck's about a year old, so it helped to get those bolts off a little bit easier. The first step is to start at the back of the muffler assembly where these two tailpipes meet to remove the two 15mm nuts off of those clamps. We're then going to move to the front of the vehicle and remove the 15mm nut off of that clamp where it meets with the resonator pipe. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove both of these clamps now. With the tools that I have, I found that it's easier to come from above the frame rail for this left side, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now for this side, we'll come up from the driver's side of the rear differential. So one of the next steps once you get the band clamps loose is to pry back these locking tabs. And so we're just going to push against them here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove this nut. All right. So that clamp should be good and loose. So next we're going to come back here and we're going to loosen these two 10mm bolts for the exhaust tip. So next we're going to remove the 2 bolts that hold on the middle exhaust pipe section, which can be seen here and here. So the next step is to pry the locking tabs out of the way here on the exhaust. So we're going to just take that and pry that off of the lugs there on both of these. And that will allow those pipes to come off. So next we're going to remove this muffler to bumper tailpipe section. It's going to take a little bit of effort and wiggling around, but it is coming. Okay, it's out of that locking tab. And there it goes. And that is a face full of WD-40 and soot. And now we will do the same for the driver's side of the vehicle. Remove these 2 10mm nuts. And on the driver's side again, we're going to move back to the middle hanger for this muffler to bumper tailpipe and remove the 2 10mm bolts. And so now we're going to remove the muffler to bumper tailpipe section on the driver's side of the truck. Wiggling and prying to get that locking tab out of the muffler. We're binding a little bit on the spare tire, but it's doable. And now it's out. So we'll leave that right there. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Next, we are going to remove the 10mm nut there for the back of the muffler hanger. And then we'll move to the front of the muffler. Next, we will remove the 2 10mm nuts to the front of the muffler hanger. And then the muffler will be ready to remove. All right, so now I'm going to remove the muffler from the front resonator pipe. And now I'm going to get out from underneath of it so I can slip it in front of the axle. Here I have the stock muffler on the table next to the Flowmaster that we're installing. The instructions tell you not to move these hangers until you're under the car trying to install it. But I'm going to go ahead and do that here while we're out on the table, just because that's going to be a little bit easier than trying to fight this under the truck. I'm going to go ahead and lift this new muffler up over the axle here. I'm going to kind of nicely set it on my jack stand here. And then we're going to slip it into the resonator outlet, like so. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and bolt up these front hangers, as that will help hold the muffler up. Get both of these started before we tighten them down. That way we can make sure they're lined up and we're not cross-threading any bolts. So now at the back of the muffler, we're going to reinstall the rear hanger. You just slip this side back into the frame here and then bolt up the far side on the driver's side. And we'll start this by hand again so we do not strip it out. And now I'm going to run that in with the impact. Okay, so then we're going to tighten this front clamp from the resonator into the new muffler. Once we have the muffler level, all right, now that we have the muffler body hung on the truck and all of the isolators reinstalled, we're going to take these provided with the kit clamps and install them onto these pipes. We want to make sure that the nut is facing down and that the bolts and the nuts are to the outside of the muffler piping so they're easier to access. We're going to do that passenger side like that. And we're going to install it on the pipe, just like that. So that way when it's installed, it looks like that. Okay, so the next step is to install the tailpipe section from the muffler to the bumper into the muffler. We're going to bring the rear pipe up and make sure that we install the little tab into the slot on the muffler. And this will require some force. And to keep an eye out for these exhaust hangers that you've taken off earlier. Just like that. And now I can take this hanger and adjust it so that I can get these started. And I do not have to support this pipe section as much. And just like that, we've got muffler hanging under its own weight on the truck. Reinstall this nut. Okay, now that the driver's side tailpipe section from the bumper to the muffler is in the muffler, and that tang is locked in the notch, we're going to go ahead and reinstall this mid-pipe hanger. There is a bolt hole here. We are going to slip that bolt in and start by hand. And once I've got that first section started by hand, we'll move up to the top there and start that one by hand as well. And if it's anything like the other side, and reline that up with your bracket, and then start that by hand. And now that I've got those both started by hand, I'll go ahead and run those back down. Okay, now that the middle hanger section is in, we're going to go ahead and move to the rear here and reinstall this hanger with this dual stud bracket that goes in here, like such. And we'll get these both started. And then the idea is to kind of move this around so that you can line up your rear tailpipe to the bumper and get it to look the way that you would expect. Okay, and now on the passenger side of the vehicle, we are going to install the pipe from the muffler to the bumper into the muffler pipe. And we need to maneuver this around the spare tire here. The instructions do say you can remove the spare tire if you would like, and it may make things easier, but in this case I've opted not to. And now we're at the back of the vehicle here with the passenger tailpipe, and we're going to take this rear hanger and line these up with these holes here. This dual stud bracket through. Tighten these nuts. You get kind of the pipe held up about the area you want this to look like it's in. Maybe you take this wrap off. All right, back at the muffler outlet, we're going to tighten the two clamps just tight enough that we can kind of do a final adjustment of the entire system, get everything where we like it to be, and then we will start at the front of the new muffler and work our way back and make sure everything is tied together.
All right, well that wraps up our review and install of the Flowmaster FlowFX Direct-Fit Muffler for the 2023 to 26 5.0 F-150s with the factory dual exhaust. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.